instead of basing our opinions on the evidence that is out there. This trend represents a third threat to our democracy. Politics is
I'll get it.
all about ideas. That's how our democracy was designed. In the course of a healthy debate, we prioritize different goals and the different means of reaching them. But without some common baseline of facts, without a willingness to admit new information,